Hello and welcome to another video in my tutorial series, How to Make Proofreading Less Boring. We're going to tackle what I think is one of the most frustrating features in Word, bullet and numbered lists. This document has a lot of pages in it, and this, combined with lots of lists, usually means that bugs will strike. We're checking all numbered lists to see where the numbering has gone wrong, like this example. Finding bullet and numbered lists is an easy task if you use specific list styles. You can use the built-in ones, or you can create your own. Use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and H if you're a PC user, or Command Alt and G if you're a Mac user. Then press the Find tab. You might need to expand the dialog box by pressing the More or Down arrow here. Then you can start finding any paragraphs that have been formatted with a list style. Make sure you've cleared everything in the Find What box, including any formatting. Press the No Formatting button if necessary. Then put your cursor in the top box, click on the Format menu, and choose Style. Find the style you want to look for, click OK, and start finding the relevant paragraphs. This will take you to every paragraph that has been formatted with this style, which could be useful in some instances, but can take time if you just want to jump to each group of numbered lists. Now for clarity, if you wanted to find the first item in a numbered list by looking for one dot or one full stop, for example, this will not work. It won't look in the item number itself, just the text that follows it. If you're using bullets, it also won't find them either. Unfortunately, we're quite limited in our built-in options, and this is where VBA or macros come in. As I always say at this stage, this video is beginner friendly, so all you have to do is copy the text down below in the video notes and paste it according to my instructions. With this code, I want to jump to the first item in each group of lists. I can then look through the list myself and make changes if necessary. As you can see, I'm just jumping to one group of lists at a time. I can then check the whole group, then use the macro again to jump to the next list. This makes the code faster to use than the built-in option. I'm using a keyboard shortcut to use the macro. Click the link in the corner to watch my video on how you can reuse macros in this way. In the meantime, you need to put the code in, so let's cover this now. Once you've copied the code below this video, go back into Word and press the Alt and F11 keys together. At the top left of the new window, you'll see the word Normal. If, like me, you can see a folder called Modules and a file underneath it, double-click on that file. If you can't see a Modules folder, right-click on the word Normal, then choose Insert, then Module from the shortcut menu. The new file will probably be called Module 1 or end with another number, which is fine. In the empty space on the right, paste the text you've copied. Press this Save button here to save the macro, and now you can use it whenever you like. If you want to use it now, you can press this green Play button or the F5 key on your keyboard. Alternatively, make a note of the name, close this window, and press the Alt and F8 keys together. You'll see this macros dialog box pop up. Find the macro by typing the name or scrolling, and then click Run. You can now press the Run button to jump to the next list. If you need to start from an earlier part of a document, just move your cursor up and press Run again. If you want to speed up proofreading of your document, or just have a few questions about a particular project, you can book an online call with me to discuss this. Please visit my website for more details.